What's up, guys? It's Ryan with AOMC. Drop by really quick and just let you guys know that 2023 models, the unchanged models, are already arriving at KTM dealers. I posted a video last week about the 2023 GasGas we had already got at our dealership. We have 2023 KTMs arriving tomorrow, and I've already seen some dealers that have got 2023 Huskies. Not the new Huskies that are changed, that are going to be gray and high vis, but the old generation Huskies, which would be the TEs and FEs. They're primarily white with yellow and blue, and then the KTM XCWs and EXCs, which have the orange frame and lots of orange and a little bit of purple on the shroud. And then of course the GasGases that they added the dark red kind of gradient to the bottom of. But yeah, guys, this is I expected these bikes to come early, being unchanged. I expected like early June. This is the earliest I've ever seen 2023 models ever come. So I don't know, hopefully KTM is in a better position with the supply chain than we thought, or they're just trying to get these bikes out and get a few gone before they announce these brand new bikes here in like a week, because maybe they know when they do that they're going to shift a lot of interest to these new machines. So expect a lot of news coming in the next week. The announcement from KTM is on May 10th, and you guys can find out, you can stay up to date on all the news right here on the channel. I'll be dropping it probably mere minutes after KTM and giving you guys my 2 cents about it. So we're really excited about what this year has to bring. The 4-strokes being announced on the 10th are no mystery, because we've seen the factory edition motocross bikes for months now. I have one in my garage. I rode it on Friday. It's absolutely amazing. Looking good, big dog. So if you're interested in that, definitely stay tuned. That video is going to drop. I've got a video where you can, watch the quick shifter, hear the quick shifter work, and it's such a cool bike, guys. It's a drastic improvement. So, but yeah. And then besides that, we have the 2023 2-strokes, which are all new 125, 150 motor, all new 250 and 300 motor, electric start, throttle body, fuel injection, complete new platforms, will be announced next week, and then will actually become available to dealers sometime in the fall, October-ish. So yeah, we're excited, guys. Stay tuned. I appreciate you all. Let today be the day I earn your subscription. It'd mean a lot to me. And maybe hit the bell if you want to go a step further. If you want to really be a boss, just hit that blue join button and let's team up on the race team. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.